This is a review of 150 psi air inflator. This is for bowls, bicycles, motorcycles, vehicles, and emergency air inflation. And it has tire pressure detection, preset values auto stopping, unit switching bar, and psi. The world's most compact jump starter with air compressor. This is the first time I've seen a compressor at the same time jumper. That is very interesting. It is spark proof, reverse polarity protection, 12 volt lithium, 2500 ampere peak, 8.5 liters gas, and 6.5 liter diesel. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. Let's open it. And here is the user manual. And this is the jump starter, at the same time air compressor. We have a nice bag. This is for the jump starter, and this is for the air compressor, and it has some different types of heads you can use. This is USB-C type and USB-A. You can turn it on from here. It is very colorful, and you can change the mode however you want. And this is for the pump, and it has a light and flashing. And this is the area for 12 volts, and you're just gonna put it right there, and now it's good. If you wanna jump it, let's see, is it gonna show something or not? And now you can see it's working. Since the car doesn't have any problem, I'm not gonna use it right now. Let's go ahead and test the pump. There are some error codes and explanation how we're gonna solve the problem. Let's go ahead and test it out one of the tires. This is very easy. Let's go ahead and choose the mode. This is for bike and motorbike and bowl, and it is car. And let's change the mode. You can change the mode like that, and now it's 33.9. We can go ahead and choose 34.5, and let's go ahead and pump it. When it is 34.5, it's gonna stop. Now it stopped, and it is working flawlessly. Yep. I can definitely suggest this product. It doesn't take too much space, and it has jumper at the same time air compressor, and it has light, and it has different types of unit measurements, and it is very colorful. If you want to use this for a charging station, you can also use it.